All right. Mr. Rice here, y'all. Unorthodox Enterprises coming to you live today. Back anyway on this project. I'm all about autos. Getting a little of that unorthodox music in the back a little bit there. Yeah. But look, we back on this 2010 Honda Accord head job. And like I was explaining, this is one of them that has that situation sometimes with some of them that the cold start rattle for about a half a second after the engine has set for about 6 hours. You'll get a noise on it. And it's in the design of everything. So I'm going to walk you all through that when we get to that point. I am now about to remove the chains, timing chain there and everything. Now, so I got to bust that front down and go through the proper procedure of removing the cams from this baby. Then we'll get this head on up off and get this head to the shop so it can get worked and checked out and inspected. And we're going to come on back and put this baby together. And we're going to go ahead on it and do the repairs to fix that little rattle noise that some of these Hondas have. It took place from when they moved from having a timing belt to having a timing chain. It's some bad, little strong little engines, and it just, ain't nothing perfect, but we'll take care of it. Mr. Rice, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, a very, very important note for you all. You have to take this front cover off to access the chain and gears and everything, right? Your bolts are not the same. So you want to take and make sure that you put these, line them up where they go back into their same hole. What I normally like to do is just go ahead on and I'll make me a little spot somewhere else and put them how they go. Okay? Alrighty. We're now at the point of separation. About to take the front cover off. And we're going to get down to the naked business in here, y'all. Yeah. Get this baby toe down and get this head on up off of here. Alrighty, so we are now about to line everything up. Got the front cover off. And I'm looking at the design on this thing. It's my first time being down inside of one of these newer Honda engines. One of them with the chain anyway. Done a mini with the belt. And as you can see, it's a crazy design now, unique in its own right. This baby actually has two chains, one heading up, one going down. So while we're inside the little booger, we're gonna do some nice inspecting telltale type things, replace any kind of guides or whatever that Honda recommends to be replaced at this point since we're this far. So, let's go ahead on and line the marks up and go through the procedure of removing these cams. All right, so the head is off And I can see where that joker gasket blew on it. Got everything set up here. I'm ready to take it on to the machine shop. And this rocker cage is a really weird little setup.